Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So after a long time again, I'm talking about WAX coin, WAXP coin. That what's the price? What's the price change is occur and WAX coin, guys. Let me show you guys, and we're also trying to detect the next move of WAX coin. Is in the future there is possibilities that the price will pump or dump. We discuss these all things in this video, so keep watch this video complete. And guys, if you are new in my channel or if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly and click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, you can see here 0.28712 USD dollar. That is the currently price of WAX coin. Other side, you can see your last 1 hour update is going negative 0.04%. Last 1 day chain is about positive 2.4%, and the last 1 week chain is also negative 6.64%, guys. So only the last 1 day changes is positive except of last 1 day, last 1 week, and last 1 hour. This means, guys, that in the latest situation now WAX coin price is in the negative changes, price going in the lows. Oh, you know what, guys, after watching this price chart, after reading this chart, so you can see here at this time the price pump, but unfortunately just in latest situation in last 60 minutes, as I show you that the only last 60 minutes changes is negative. So this means that there is a temporary fast, guys. That is temporary fast. Very soon the price will pump and you get profit, guys. So just hold, guys. That is a temporary changes. I believe that after few hours the price will again pump, the price changes will become positive. So don't worry, everything will be okay. Just hold. And guys, don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.